In this video, you'll learn how to log out of your Envato account. This process is straightforward and ensures your account remains secure, especially when using shared devices. Begin by logging into your Envato account. Once you are logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you will see your profile icon. This icon is typically a small avatar or a silhouette representing your account. Click on the profile icon to open a drop-down menu that displays various account options. It is essential to confirm that you are on the correct page before proceeding to ensure a secure logout. The drop-down menu should include options related to your account settings, purchases, and logout. Next, locate the option labeled Logo within the drop-down menu. Click on this option to initiate the logout process. This action will immediately sign you out of your account, providing a safeguard against unauthorized access, particularly on shared or public devices. After clicking the logout option, you will be redirected either to the home page or the login page. This redirection serves as confirmation that your account has been successfully logged out. You can now safely close your browser or choose to log in again if necessary. Your session has been securely ended. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.